Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over to fxace.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So this video, my friend, is a presentation of my brand new ultimate support and resistance dashboard, whereas it's what you can see on the screen here. In this video, we're going to go over it, how to use it, and the different settings that it has. As you know, one of the biggest price action tools that traders use is support and resistance. It is looked at by professionals and retail traders. This indicator is programmed to show the strongest support and resistance levels based on how I calculate them myself and what I look for, all programmed into this dashboard. And what you can see in front of you here is the daily support and resistance levels from S1 all the way to S4 and R1 all the way to R4, plus you have the middle level. Okay, we'll go into the indicator settings here, and we have three different time frames. The three most important time frames to look for support and resistance are daily, weekly, and monthly. Okay, we can select if you're a weekly trader, weekly swing trader, or monthly trader. You want to be looking at the weekly support and resistance levels. They are the best areas for swing points. Also, the monthly, if you're a long-term investor trader, the monthly support and resistance levels are areas you want to be looking at also. Okay, that's the monthly. Okay, longer term, and the weekly levels here. You can see we're a Monday morning here. It is a bank holiday in America, so there hasn't been much movement on the weekly time frames. Okay, this usually heats up midweek. You'll start to see prices go out towards the S2 and S3 levels and R2 and R3 levels for possible trading opportunities. Intraday, day trading, you want to be looking at the daily time frames. Okay, the daily support and resistance levels. Okay, we'll just flick it on there. That's how you do that. And the daily ones come up again today. Bank holiday, there's not much movement. We are in the European session. Usually you'd see prices out and about R2, R3, and S2, S3 areas. They're the kind of, I like to take trades at the extremes, around about the S2, S3, or S3 or S4 areas are kind of, do get great trades around that level, around those kind of levels. If you're continuing trend trader, say you're in an uptrend, you want to be trading around the S1, S2 levels, possibly the S1 areas taking buy trades to go back up with a continuation of the trend. Reversal traders, you want to be trading out at the, you want to be trading out at the extremes. Okay, R3, R4, S3, S4 levels if you're reversal trader. Okay, you can see it's flashing at the minute. What it actually does, I will just go into the indicator section here, the settings on it. Okay, so the symbols, obviously you just double click and you put in your symbols you want to be using. Okay, make sure it's the same symbols on your dashboard. If it has a prefix or a suffix, make sure you enter it at the start or at the end of the currency asset. Font is just the size of the chart, the size of the writing. Okay, distance to flashes. Okay, so you can see in the chart there, prices were flashing at the S1 and R1 levels and in the middle. So what that actually means is that I've got a threshold here that the value on the chart will start flashing when price becomes within 10 pips of level. Okay, so it's within 10 pips of F1, it's flashing at the minute. Okay, I've got 20, you can change that value to whatever you want. We have distance to alert, which just means it will actually you'll hear a sound on your chart 20 pips before it hits the area, the level, and you'll get an alert on your chart telling you that the price is approaching one of the S1, S2, or R1, R2 levels. So pretty cool. I've got the sound turned off because it can get a bit annoying. I like the flashing because I'm looking at my charts a lot. So if I just glance over the dashboard, I can see an area is flashing. So it kind of draws my attention to that area, and I will double check. see what's going on the charts, which I'll show you in a minute. Okay, you can also have alert push, which is push notifications sent directly to your mobile phone when an area is when a price is approaching an area or price is at an area you want to be trading at. Alert mail is just email. Okay, you can set that up by your email. Okay, template. Okay, so if you've got a template that you use for trading, you'll just want to put the name of the template in there. Okay, and I'll show you how that works in a minute. So colors, obviously just the colors of the chart. So that's the settings. Okay, so the template, what it actually does, so simply you don't need to open up all your charts. You don't need to draw your support and resistance levels. You simply just have the dashboard open. You can see it's flashing at this area. Okay, Euro JPY is flashing at the S1 level. Okay, and you can see on the daily time frame, price has been moving up. Okay, and we are in S1 level. So intraday, this could be possibly a buying opportunity. Okay, at a support level, and you can actually see it. Let's click out of that. The support is 124.6. Okay, and the price is 20 pips past that. Okay, so it'll start flashing with that within the 20 pips. Yeah, so that's what you want to be doing there. So if you want to, you can see price, short-term price has been going up. You could possibly go back in there and look at the lower time frames for a possible good area to be getting into a buying opportunity. If you're counter trend trading, you'd want to be trading, selling out at the extremes, or let it drop more and buy out at the extremes. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. Just open the EuroCAD. Again, EuroCAD's dropping. It's at the daily support 1. Okay, you can see there is a bit of daily resistance here. This area here where it is, you can see that. It's kind of why it's shown on the chart. Possible buying opportunity, possibly use an entry signal for that. Okay, on a lower time frame. So pretty powerful tool. Support and resistance traders will love this. Just instantly shows you all the levels you want to be looking at, the key levels on the chart. You don't need to draw lines. You don't need. These are the key levels you want to be looking at. Takes hours of chart time out of your day. Just simply open up the dashboard. Wait for areas to start flashing, depending on what type of trader you are. Click it open. Click the chart open and see how quickly you can get trading opportunities. So it's a cool, unique tool. To access it, you simply just want to be clicking the link below. It is only $129. Okay, for the amount of time it will save you, it is well worth it. Okay, so click the link below. Looking forward to hearing your reviews on the dashboard. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. And yeah, so click the link below and get involved.